Okay, now you can hear me talk. Everyone bitches because I'm too long-winded. I got this from the second owner had died. He purchased the bike in 1968. I have the bill of sale from 1968. He paid 600 bucks. This bike is basically an all original bike. There is some stuff that's been changed. He glued NOS floorboard rubbers on there. Those are the original boards. Replaced the bags, which I'm going to be getting the original bags, but those are really nice reproduction ones. Other than that, this thing is bone stock, 46,000 original miles. That's an original solo seat, and it comes with an original buddy seat. That's the correct mileage. He was a career Navy guy. That's the boat he was on. It's got black lacquer paint. It looks like original paint, but apparently it was hi-fi green at some point. So if I've done it before, but I ain't doing it to this bike because I like the black. But if you wanted to have this bike be the original hi-fi green, you take some goof off in a rag, you can get all this black off and have original paint hi-fi green one. It comes with the original primary cover. He put that one on. He made these mufflers, and we're talking a long time ago. This guy died at 80, and he rode this bike to church till he was in his 70s every weekend. Bike is from Florida. Again, I got the clear title. I got the bill of sale from 68, which comes with the bike. And he paid 600 bucks for it. He made the mufflers. I think they're pretty cool. Pretty neat. You just can't get a bike like this anymore. It's just a real deal. It's been together its whole life. He bought it in 1968. It's wild. Runs excellent. I just went through it. Brand new battery. Rebuilt the carburetor. Went through the hydraulic units. Replaced 2 of them. Bike starts first, kick hot or cold. A lot of times these dual glides can be a little bit fussy. This one is not. Starts first, kick hot, cold. Doesn't matter. Cool factory speeds to bars, which I really like, especially with a solo seat. Nice and narrow. Bike shifts and runs great. The motor and tranny have definitely been rebuilt, and not too long ago. Doesn't leak. Pumps oil. Excellent. Brakes work great. All the lights work. The horn works. The blinkers work. It's just you know, I've seen some dual glides selling for pretty good money on eBay, and they ain't like this one. This is the only thing that's ever been changed on this bike is maintenance type of stuff. This is a real deal. Awesome bike. Obviously matching bellies, never had a weld, never had a repair, correct transmission, everything is right. So you see ones that are real pretty and all restored, anybody can have one of those. An original bike that's never been, you know, fucked with and had only 2 owners since 1960 is pretty incredible. And this one is just awesome. If I didn't need money, I would not be selling this one.